Belt has sent me this inverter. This is a 1500 watt inverter. They sent it for my review and we're about to test it out for the very first time. Now, first off, right out of the box, this is how it comes in and it looks really, really nice. It looks tiny. I love the fact that it's got the mounting features. So you can actually mount this on a wall, in a shed. Maybe you're in a cabin during winter and you need to have some extra power. Boom, you've got that and it works perfectly. There is one entry point here for that fan. So you've got that fan here. This hole here is metal. You've got the ends that are kind of like a really hard plastic rubber. So I like that as well. Makes it really, really nice and safe. And speaking of safe, this is one of the only ones that I've seen that has a ground feature. So if you are going to install it permanently somewhere, make sure that you add that ground and ground it to, obviously ground it the way you would in your house or cabin. That's the whole idea, right? To make it really, really safe. Now, what does an inverter do? Well, simply put, 12 volt of DC input will be transformed into AC output, like a regular outlet that you would see in a household, right? So your DC input would be this one here. So this is a 12 volt battery. The typical battery you could find in different kind of amps. This one here is 100 amp. You could use your battery in your truck, in your RV, in your car, and they even provide you with the terminal cables, which I think is really cool. So we're gonna try to actually run this battery and this inverter to make this really powerful vacuum run. So let's try it. Where I love the fact that you can secure. A lot of them you can't, and I love the fact that this one here, I can literally secure and make sure it's not going to move. It's always gonna have that perfect connection, and then I just add this to protect it, right? So now no one is able to touch it, which I think is great. We're gonna do the same thing on the black, right here. Very cool. I've seen those that you can't do that, and these things are always like that connection is always really, really flimsy. In this case, it is not. In this case, I know that connection is solid, and I love the fact that that terminal cable is really, really long. So you're not going to, if you are connecting to your car, you don't have to have that whole inverter right on top of your car. You can actually have a little bit more of the distance. So we're going to connect as we would always, negative to negative, positive to positive. It's going to probably do a little bit of a spark, just like that. But it is absolutely safe because so far we're just looking at 12 volts. 12 volts is really not a lot, but this is the whole power, is that it's using 12 volts, which is not a lot, like I just said, but once it's inverted and we turn it on, look at this. Once it's inverted, that 12 or so, 12.9 is transformed into over, look at that, 118 volts of power. Now, those outlets are powerful. Those outlets are ready. Now, we know that it's 1500 watts, meaning I could bring my air fryer camping if I wanted to and run an air fryer, provided it's under 1500 watts. So we are going to use this vacuum. We're gonna plug that in just like you would in a normal outlet. So that vacuum is plugged in. As you can see, it is really truly that vacuum. And we're gonna see if I actually can turn it on. We can turn it on. It does work at its full capacity and full power. It's not going to be just a reduced power. It gives it the exact full power that it needs. Super safe to use, as you can see. I love that all of the coils, all of the internals, which is what is the whole converter or inverter, is protected by this encasing. Love the fact that, again, it's got that ground. 2 outlets, plenty, and I love that little screen where you can see exactly what's going on. I know my battery level, this battery level here is the level of this battery right there. So if this goes down, all I would need to do if I were, let's say, camping, put that back on the car, turn on the car, recharge that battery, let that battery get some juice back, and then do the whole process again and be able to use it with different normal, regular household appliances. This thing is fantastic and it weighs nothing. I love it.